Leaving where I grew up with surfboards on the rack of my car, I definitely got common questions like, where are you guys even going? There's only a few surf spots that are publicly known in the Pacific Northwest. So it's more of an adventure than maybe being somewhere like close to the beach where the surf culture is really prevalent. My name is Tanner Thibert. I'm originally from Washington State, and I'm the owner of Tanner Thibert Studio, where I do multimedia and design projects. Shooting in the water for me is really more of a lifestyle than it is just about getting a certain image. I'm really inspired by the people that I meet, the surfers, the other photographers and filmmakers, the people who are doing these projects with me. Being able to reflect on that in the future is what kind of gives it substance for me, that it was more than just a project or an image, it's experience that I got to live. Every time I've made something physical and got it printed out and it arrived, I see that photo in a whole different way and connect with it. It just gives me appreciation, I guess, for my own journey, being able to look back and say, oh man, this photo was 8 years ago and I can still imagine the place I was in when I took that photo and what I was trying to do with that image. That energy is kind of captured within a print and really makes your work timeless, at least for yourself to be able to enjoy years down the line.